Lay down in a comfortable position with your body open and receptive. We're going to go on a journey to receiving. So many of us are blocked because we've had so many things happen to us in the past that cause us to question whether it's safe to stay open and receive. This guided meditation is going to assist you in embodying receptivity and openness, and remind us that we are all so abundant, and how we feel is how we attract. Are you open to receiving a new program about life and about yourself? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to feel more receptive at the end of this meditation? If you'd like that, say yes. And are you willing to let go of all unconscious programs that limit your ability to receive? Take a deep breath in and feel a yes, if you'd like to create more of that. Lean back now, close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale, Tantra is a path of liberation, expansion, and love. Reach your arms out, reach your legs away and your head, and open up like a 5-pointed star. Expand, elongate, and welcome yourself to a new way of being. Inhale deeply and feel every micrometer of expansion. Feeling your breath, expanding, elongating. We're creating new programs. So many of us have gotten used to being tight or tense, in fear or lack, that it's become a program. We can shift and create a new one today, and that's what we're going to do. Feel grateful that you're here. Grateful that all it takes is a different focus. Placing your attention back on elongating. We're going to take 3 deep breaths. One more. Feel the support beneath you. Feeling so grateful that you are supported. Wherever you're laying on top of, imagine that it is the divine support. Feel grateful for the support of our Creator that created us. Feel how safe and stable this support feels. Allowing appreciation to swell in your heart for your life, for the support, for yourself, for this meditation. And we're going to expand even more now, allowing ourselves to receive 3 sniffs through the nose, each one progressively expanding us even more. And then we're going to hold the breath. We're going to pause in the expansion to truly experience abundance, receptivity, more than enough. Here we go. Hold your breath after those 3 sniffs and feel. Suspend your breath. Pause. We're slowing down. When you can't hold your breath any longer, allow the exhalation. Open up your body once more. Inhale, 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 inhale. 5 sniffs and hold your breath after that. Goes like this. Hold it. The arms are spread out, your legs, your head, your whole body. Elongating, expanding. Allowing your exhalation to happen through you when you can't hold your breath anymore. We're going to do this 3 times. 3 rounds of the 5 sniffs breath. Hold it till you can't hold it any longer, and then let it go. But you're allowing the surrender. You're allowing the exhalation. Let's do this together now. Hold it. Pause. Exhale. Once again, feel the abundance of breathing, energy, oxygen, life force. Hold it. Pause. Inhale, 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 inhale. And one more. Hold it, pause. We get to practice. The more we do these repetitions, your brain is learning how to receive abundance, prosperity, unexpected gifts, unexpected opportunities, miraculous serendipitous events happening in your life, because you're becoming more wave-like. Welcome the shift, welcome the transformation, welcome the new program to abundance and love. Let's do this again. Inhale, 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 inhale. How we feel is how we attract. The lighter you feel, the more expansive you feel, you will attract that into your life. Expansive relationships, an expansive you. Always growing and evolving and thriving. Allow yourself now to lay here passively, receiving these declarations into your cells. I am powerful. I am love. I love that I am love. I appreciate that I am powerful. I am abundant. I am open to abundance in all areas of my life. I am free to be abundant. I give myself permission to be abundant and prosperous in all areas of my life. Breathe that in. Feel what it would feel like for you to already be super abundant in all areas of your life. What would that feel like if you could imagine what that would feel like right now? Open up your body even more to receive this experience with yourself. I am supported. I am safe. I feel the support of Creator always. I am open to feeling supported in all areas of my life. I choose to feel supported in all areas of my life. I choose to support myself by creating loving thoughts, empowering thoughts throughout my day. I focus now on a deeper, self-loving relationship with myself. I honor how my body feels throughout the day. And I express how I feel authentically in all my relations. I choose to trust myself and honor myself and my needs, feelings, wants, emotions. I choose to be my own best friend. I am a sovereign being. I love that I choose to be my own best friend now. I am my greatest advocate for myself. I choose to have the highest level of respect and honor for myself. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Allow these declarations to go into your cells. I welcome these declarations into my cells, into my being, into my life. I choose to be free from my past. I choose to live fully present now. I choose to be free from my past and my future. And I choose to allow my heart and soul to guide me, my intuitive intelligence, the innate wisdom of the Creator inside me. I choose to feel my heart and allow my heart to guide me. I live passionately and fully alive, embracing all my sensations and feelings as they arise. Inhale, inhale, inhale. I choose to accept the unacceptable. I choose to love the unlovable in me. I choose to know healthy love, sovereign love, love without attachment, love without expectations. I choose to embody love. I choose to be love. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Bring your right palm over your heart and stretch out your left arm to elongate even more the heart side. And start to caress your chest. Connect to your heart. You can also caress over your tummy, over your genitals. Just these long, gentle, medium pressure caressing over your center. And feeling your center. How does my heart feel? Accepting all the sensations and feelings. Does my heart feel open to receiving? Or is it guarded and holding and afraid? Lengthen that left arm away and inhale, 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 inhale. And hold it. Pause. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Pause. You're doing great. We're creating a deeper connection with ourselves. Intimacy. Memories may come up from the past that are being processed. It's okay. Whatever comes up, trust that your body knows what it's doing. It's so intelligent. Caressing yourself, kindness towards yourself, so healing. And whatever you feel today, accepting it. I accept how I feel. I accept this moment. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Feeling supercharged. Inviting your heart to feel even more open. I love you. I'm so grateful for you. Telling yourself that. I choose to love you. I choose to accept you. I'm free to accept you now. I give myself permission to accept you now. And I'm sorry if I've hurt you in the past. Please forgive me. I'm sorry if I put others before you in the past. It could have been an hour ago. I'm sorry and I love you. Please forgive me. I'm sorry if I have not prioritized you enough in my life. I love you. Please forgive me. Thank you. Regardless of how we were treated as children, we can learn how to treat ourselves like a king and queen. We don't have to be our past. In this moment, we can consciously redirect our focus from being a victim to being victorious and choosing to be a king or a queen in our own lives. Are you willing to know what that feels like? To learn and cultivate the most epic, awesome, healthy, loving, inspiring relationship with yourself? If you'd like that, say, yes, yes. Feel that yes. And there might be some fear to feeling that yes, because what if I have it all? I'm used to suffering. Many of us are. So are you willing to open up to living your dream life? To living heaven on earth? Are you willing to be a part of the new earth? Of a more loving consciousness, where we default to love, where we go back to acceptance and compassion and forgiveness and appreciation and gratitude? Would you like to be a part of that type of world that we're creating now, anew, right now? If you'd like that, say yes. Yes, 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 yes. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Feel that yes. And if enough of us hear this meditation, and if enough of us shift, we will have shifted the whole world. All it takes is one seed planted and practicing this meditation every day to strengthen and come back to your nature. This is your true nature, to be love. It is our nature to be powerful. Open up those arms again. This is my nature. Expand, expand, expand. As everything in nature expands, the trees, the plants, the flowers, expansion is what we are. And our sexual energy is our healing energy. And our creative energy is our sexual energy. And so more than ever, getting in touch with our sexual energy is a rapid route to transformation, because it is our creative energy. So let's take a moment to breathe awareness, attention into our genitals. Breathe and expand into your root, your tailbone, your anal area, your sexual organs. And check in, how do I feel here about my sexuality? my sexual energy, my creative energy, my healing energy. Inhale, 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 and you can put your hand on your lower abdomen over your genitals. Am I holding any shame here? Allow yourself to begin today with the journey of feeling what's there. And then you can breathe into wherever you feel any resistance or tightness or density and bring it to life. Help it to process. Help it to free itself. Remember, Tantra is about expansion, liberation, freedom. And the more we release our shames, our guilts, our traumas, the more we will shine and feel that lightness of being love. I choose to forgive whatever traumas, dramas I have experienced. I choose to process and release and transmute and heal at the deepest core level. And to remember that our nature is wholeness. Our nature is connectedness. We are designed to connect. We're designed to be love. We're designed to make love. Inviting yourself to feel now all of your body, your whole body, from your heart down to your genitals, back up to your heart, feeling this connection between our sex and our heart. Our sexual energy is our healing energy. Yet so many of us are so suppressed in our sexual energy that it limits our ability to feel healing energy because they're the same. Practice being vulnerable right now with yourself, being available to all the sensations as they arise, and to be welcoming, even if it might feel uncomfortable at times. Stay, listen to the whole meditation, see what comes up for you. And you can journal after or comment below this video how this benefit you. It helps to reinforce the transformation. I choose to stay with my emotions and feel them and flow them and free them from my body tissues and from my past. I choose to free myself so that I can walk fully present in the moment as the embodiment of love, compassion, acceptance, appreciation, gratitude, forgiveness. Imagine yourself walking around as a radiant being of love, appreciation, confidence, compassion, acceptance, abundance, feeling so prosperous and attracting more loving experiences in your life. We don't get what we want, we get what we are. And how we feel attracts. Notice, how do you feel right now? Open up your arms. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Feel, feel, feel. How do I feel right now? Tantra is all about our inner verse, feeling the universe within us, going deeply inside our bodies and connecting to the energy that we are through our bodies. Thank you, thank you, thank you for going on this journey with me. Open your eyes and look around the room. Notice how you feel. And I invite you to stand up slowly in your power pose, lifting your arms up over your head, feeling that 5-pointed star, spreading your hands wide. And feeling your body as energy, feeling the shift. Feeling yourself so loved and so supported. Feeling the sense of lightness of being and newness of being. You've shifted your whole self, every single cell, and your body, and your energetic field. We tapped into our hearts, our sexual energy, and feeling the wholeness, the richness, the abundance of who you are right now. An expanded being. What a gift you are to the world. Notice how present you are to this moment right now. Able to receive the abundance of the moment, the richness of the moment. Fully connected to all of your sensations in the here and now. And as old memories come up throughout your day, welcoming them, inviting them, deep breath in. And just allowing them to process through you and out of you. The more we practice these meditations, the more we will heal. The more things will come up. We will no longer have that guarded, protective shield, which means that we will feel more healing in everyday life moments. We won't have to wait to go on a journey somewhere in another city or country to process and release. We'll just do it throughout the day, as long as we are open to it and welcoming of all of who we are in every single moment. Thank you for this time. Enjoy your power pose and the powerful you, and let me know how this guided meditation benefit you. Sending you all lots of love from my heart to yours. Thank you for being an amplifier of love and for vibrating abundance today. This is what the ALVA Method stands for. Amplify love, vibrate abundance. And may we keep on defaulting to love in every moment and together elevate the collective consciousness. Yes, we are. Thank you.